Here's a 2014 Kia Optima. Open the door and climb into the extraordinarily comfortable cabin. With the right balance of bold design and soft touches, a warm welcome awaits. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, manual tilting steering column, rear parking sensors, wireless phone connectivity, manual telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Cars.com finds with its crease sheet metal and low slung shape, there's a luxury car sophistication to the Optima's exterior that you don't see in a lot of family sedans. Kia, dependable today and way down the road. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.